Predictive maintenance, or PDM, is transforming the way industries approach equipment management. Imagine a world where machines can tell us when they need servicing before they break down. That's the power of PDM, leveraging advanced analytics and AI to predict failures and optimize maintenance schedules. Let's talk about the cost of downtime. In manufacturing, every minute a machine is offline can cost thousands of dollars. Traditional maintenance schedules often lead to unnecessary downtime, either through reactive repairs or over-scheduled maintenance. Predictive maintenance flips this model on its head. By using real-time data and historical trends, PDM allows us to anticipate issues before they escalate, significantly reducing unplanned downtime and saving money. Now let's dive into the predictive maintenance revolution. Companies are increasingly adopting IoT sensors and AI algorithms to monitor equipment health continuously. This shift is not just about saving costs, it's about enhancing operational efficiency. For instance, a leading automotive manufacturer implemented a PDM strategy and reported a 30% reduction in maintenance costs and a 25% increase in equipment uptime. These numbers speak volumes about the impact of predictive maintenance. Real, world factory examples illustrate this transformation vividly. Take a large food processing plant that integrated PDM into its operations. By analyzing vibration data from their machines, they identified potential failures weeks in advance, allowing them to schedule maintenance during off-peak hours. This not only minimized disruption, but also improved overall productivity. AI and machine learning are game changers in this space. They enable us to process vast amounts of data and identify patterns that human analysts might miss. With machine learning algorithms, we can continuously improve our predictive models, making them more accurate over time. This leads to smarter decision-making and more efficient maintenance strategies. The business impact of predictive maintenance is staggering. Studies show that companies implementing PDM can achieve a return on investment of up to 300%. By reducing maintenance costs and increasing equipment reliability, businesses can allocate resources more effectively and focus on growth and innovation. Looking ahead, the future of smart maintenance is bright. As technology advances, we can expect even more sophisticated predictive tools, integrating augmented reality and advanced analytics. Imagine technicians equipped with AR glasses that provide real-time data overlays, guiding them through repairs with precision. This is not just a dream. It's on the horizon. Why does this matter now? In an increasingly competitive landscape, businesses must leverage every advantage they can. Predictive maintenance is not just a trend. It's a necessity for companies aiming to thrive in the digital age. By embracing PDM, organizations can not only enhance their operational efficiency, but also foster a culture of innovation and proactive problem-solving. In conclusion, predictive maintenance is reshaping the industrial landscape, offering a smarter, more efficient way to manage equipment. By harnessing the power of AI and data analytics, businesses can reduce costs, minimize downtime, and prepare for a future where maintenance is not just reactive but predictive. This is the future of maintenance, and it's happening now.